So it's always fun to sometimes collect some of the accessories for your guns. In this case, I have a mag pouch to go with my M44 Mosin, which you've seen. I've had a couple videos playing with this. Now this pouch holds 20 rounds, 4 stripper clips of the 7.62 by 54 cartridge. Now I'm curious if you know. Comment how many of those pouches would a Russian soldier typically go into battle with. I'm sure it varied a lot, but I'd like to hear what you think in the comments. Have a good day.